Hi guys, today I've got this big bun hairstyle for short to medium length hair. To start, I'm going to divide the hair into 4 ponytails. So starting on the top right hand side, just tie this into a ponytail using a clear elastic band. Then take the same size section on the top left hand side and secure into another ponytail. Clip these both on top of the head and out of the way for later. Divide the remaining hair in half and again pop each of these into a high ponytail as close to the first ones as possible. Release those top 2 ponytails down and you should have 4 ponytails, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Next, take your fingers and gently pinch and pull at the hair at the top and sides of the head for more volume and texture. And we're going to do rope braids on each of these ponytails, so split a ponytail in half, twist both halves to the left and then cross the left strand over the right. So twist both to the left and cross the left strand over the right. Carry on using this method all the way down to the bottom of the hair and secure with another elastic band. Then repeat it on the remaining 3 ponytails. If you're new to my channel or just keep finding yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Okay, so once you've got all the hair rope braided, I'm going to add some volume and texture powder. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then gently pinch and pull each rope braid just to increase the volume. Do this on all 4 braids. Then I'm simply going to take one of the rope braids, twist it round the elastic band, tucking the ends underneath to form a bun, and then just secure to the head with a few bobby pins. And we're going to repeat the same steps on all of the braids. So take one, wrap it around the elastic band, tucking the ends underneath, hold it as close to the first one as possible and secure with bobby pins. Repeat the same steps for the bottom braids. Again, try and keep these as close as possible. Once you've got all the hair pinned, push the buns together and secure with a couple of bobby pins. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull every loop and twist of the hairstyle for more texture and volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.